Hi, I'm Liz Weiss, registered dietitian, cookbook author, and family nutrition expert. Ever wonder how to incorporate more whole grains into your diet? Well, I'm here to show you just how easy it can be and to answer some common questions about grains. First up, what is a grain? Any food made from wheat, rice, oats, cornmeal, barley, or another cereal grain is considered a grain. Bread, pasta, oatmeal, breakfast cereals, tortillas, and grits are all examples of grain products. So what's a whole grain? Every grain starts its life as a whole grain. The whole grain is the entire seed of a plant, which includes the bran, the germ, and the endosperm. Together, these provide protein, fiber, and many important vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients. Some examples of whole grains are whole oats, whole rye, whole wheat, brown and wild rice, whole grain barley, bulgur, millet, and quinoa. How much grain should you eat each day? To find out, check out choosemyplate.gov. It's a great resource to find the right amount of whole grains for you, according to the 2010 Dietary Guidelines for Americans. Children over the age of 2 and all healthy adults should make at least half of their grains whole grains. In general, 1 slice of whole wheat bread, 1 cup of ready-to-eat cereal, or half a cup of cooked brown rice, cooked pasta, or cooked cereal, such as oatmeal, counts as 1 ounce from the grains group. There are many ways to add whole grains to your meals. You can substitute a refined grain product with a whole grain product. When preparing your favorite meals and recipes, you can choose 100% whole wheat bread instead of white bread, or prepare equal amounts of brown rice and white rice to use in recipes throughout the week. Refined grains have been milled to remove the bran and the germ. This is done to give grains a finer texture and to lengthen their shelf life. Most refined grains are enriched to add back the nutrients that were lost in processing. Enriched grains contain B vitamins as well as iron, several in the same amounts found in the original whole kernel. And enriched grains are fortified with twice the folic acid and riboflavin as their whole grain counterparts. The extra folic acid helps maintain a healthy heart, and it's important for women in their childbearing years because it helps to prevent neural tube birth defects such as spina bifida. Include grains when planning your meals. Both whole grains and enriched have many health benefits. For more information, go to choosemyplate.gov.